Namaskar. Good morning. I welcome you all to Ayush Shakti's Facebook Live. Like every day, we are live today also. Ayush Shakti has helped more than 1.5 million people worldwide. We usually get questions like how we can increase our unlimited vitality, energy, and metabolism. So many youngsters and old age people usually message us, DM us, or email us how can we increase our energy like in any age. So we have Dr. Smita Naram and Dr. Prajakta Patil today to answer all of these questions. Unfortunately, due to internet connection, Dr. Smita Naram couldn't join us. But we have a recorded video she has sent us to share with all of us guys. Let's see what is in the video.
Hi friends, we are at home almost 15 days now. I am in isolated for 15 days doing phone consultations every day. I realize that being at home is more busy than going to the offices or clinics because I'm getting now calls from all over the world. People are at home, they want to have a phone consultation. So in the morning, I do calls from Australia and New Zealand, evening, America, and this way I'm just busy and busy and I stopped my exercising, I stopped my walking in the evening, and I realized that I'm feeling sluggish, slow metabolism because of this. And last 3 days, I'm back to my routine again with all the efforts. I'm actually literally putting appointments in my own diary that, okay, 8 to 9 is my exercise time, 6 to 7 walk time, so that I don't miss it out. Otherwise, we are losing our routines actually. So that's why I chose to speak to you about metabolism, how important it is. But before that, I want to tell you a real story of James Egerton from USA, who came in 1995 to our clinic. I met him actually in America in San Francisco, and he was 130 kg, and his height was 6 feet. He was almost looking like a small mountain. And he told me that I have done so many diets to lose weight, and as soon as I get off the diet, I'm back on. And I sometimes gain so fast that I'm frustrated to do any diet. I told him, let us focus on metabolism. Let us focus on stimulating your metabolism, removing blockages from your metabolism so that you will stay, once you lose weight, it stays with you. And I invited him to come to India, make a detox. He came, he made a detox. You will not believe me. In first detox, he lost 15 kilos. But I told him that, look, you have to work on your metabolism because that's slow for years and years and years. And he said, yes, because of this weight, I'm feeling depressed. My doctor says you are pre-diabetic. My doctor says you might get thyroid in future. And I'm so afraid to get heart problem because my father had a heart disease in the past. So I need to work on this metabolism. So he went home. He followed the diet of 60% vegetables. And friend, that's what we have to do when we are right now at home. I know we all love to party and binge, but you can always consciously eat wrong food a little bit less and have healthy food more. So three things important for metabolism. First, exercise, exercise, exercise. Second, don't overeat, don't overeat, don't overeat. Third, eat the right food. So that's what we are going to share today. I invite you to listen on so that you can use it directly in your life.
Amazing. This was something different, like a different secret formula from Dr. Smita Naram. Now let's see what Dr. Prajakta Patil has from her side. She will be going to share with you a secret diet and lifestyle and a home remedy to follow. Let's see.
Hello friends, Namaste. I am Dr. Prajakta Patil from iShakti. From last few days, we are doing lots of phone consultations in which people are asking that sitting at home, they are getting a feeling of low metabolism, weakness, tiredness, and very low energy. Now, I will talk about how to create unlimited energy in this lethargic home quarantine period. If you have any questions regarding this, put them in the comment box below and call us for phone consultation. We will love to help you. To overcome these issues, I will going to share some home remedies with you. आज जो मैं home remedy share करने जा रही हूँ, that will work as an energy drink and it is very effective. First, take half a pomegranate, one carrot, half beetroot, 10 to 15 grapes, and put quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of rock salt, and if available, put a half a teaspoon of Indian gooseberry, that is amla powder, and blend it in the mixie and make a juice. It is very healthy and a filling breakfast or even an evening drink. It works as a very good energy drink also, and this is a proven thing. Dusra, you can also take half a teaspoon of jeera powder, that is cumin, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander, and quarter teaspoon of ajwain. Put some dry ginger powder if available. Put all the ingredients in 1 glass of water and boil it to half. And you can take this energy drink as and when needed the whole day. Regarding this also, if you have any query, please comment in the box and we will be happy to answer you. Next, keep at least one serving of fruits like papaya, oranges, watermelons, muskmelon, pomegranate, and grapes, which are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and good source of water content, good amount of water content. Secondly, a little bit of high intensity workout can boost up your metabolism and circulation and help you burn fats. You can also do some yogic postures like Surya Namaskar, Sarvangasana, Paschimottanasana, Vajrasan, Dhanurasana, etc. At last, but not the least, it is good to take, you should take a very good sleep at night. One should not remain awake at night and get up late in the morning. This will definitely hamper your metabolism and will increase your irritability. Now, let me share a story of a 35-year-old lady who came to me for very low energy. She also had tiredness, weakness with low metabolism. With the help of diet, home remedy, detox, and effective and proven Ayushakti herbs like Suruday energy tablets, within 15 days, she started feeling very light and energetic, and uh, her appetite also improved a lot. उसकी वजह से उसके जो बाकी के जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे लाइक डल स्किन, हेयर फॉल और डाइजेस्टिव प्रॉब्लम्स, उसमें भी उसको बहुत अच्छे से फायदा हुआ. As our commitment is to help you, if you need any kind of help, please post your comment in the box and we will be happy to help you. Wishing you all a vibrant health. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
It was an amazing help from you. We have some questions aligned from for you from our viewers. First question is, what can I eat to improve metabolism?
First of all, for the metabolism, your diet should include a very light kind of diet in which you can prefer moong dal or green moong in any form. Like it can be in a soup form, it can be in a dosa form or whatever. Like majorly the diet should be very light with 60% of vegetables, 30% of proteins, and 10% of carbohydrates. That will definitely improve your metabolism.
Doctor, there is one more question from a viewer. She says, does lemon burn fat?
Lemons, actually, lemon will directly not help in each and in every individual. It helps to detoxify the body. Okay, and once your detoxification starts, indirectly it will start burning out the fats.
So one of our viewer is asking, why is my metabolism so slow?
There are lots of things which can bring your metabolism down. If your digestive juices are, means if you are there is lack of in exercise, okay, and even if you are on a very heavy diet or a diet which stays uh, for a longer period of time in your stomach, it is not properly digested. It will definitely bring down your metabolism.
There is one more question. What are the 5 foods that burns belly fat?
As I have already shared a home remedy which helps to burn out the fat, in which ajwain, cumin, like a jeera powder and coriander powder with hing. Hing, you know, as a soda. Okay, that also helps to burn out the belly fats. And the most important is the dry ginger powder, which you can be used in a water form, like you can make a drink with dry ginger powder. It is one of the best thing to burn out the belly fats.
Okay, there is one more question from Neethu Reddy. She says, how do we take breezy cold? With ghee or like that only?
I couldn't get it. Sorry.
How do we take breezy cold? With ghee or like that only? I think she's not clear with her question. I think so. Uh, let's switch. Let's switch to some another question. What can I eat to improve metabolism?
Uh, as I have already told you, okay, well, first of all, the diet should be very low, in which like majorly the protein content should be there, like in which like pulses and the beans also play a very important role to improve your metabolism, as well as the high intensity exercises will help to improve your metabolism.
All right. There is one more question. Do planks increase metabolism?
Plants.
Planks. Doing planks.
Planks, yes, 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 because it is a sort of high intensity exercise only. Even squashes and even sorry, planks as well as the squats are very useful in doing the improving the metabolism.
Okay, so there is one more viewer, Vidhi. She says, does low metabolism affects obesity?
Yes, because if your metabolism is very low, your channels start getting blocked and there is no proper circulation in the body. That's why the toxins accumulation is there and you start gaining weight.
That was an amazing session. So I hope you guys liked this live video and it helped us all too, right? So if it did, please share this live video to all our friends, family members, and your Facebook friends on. And you can also have a phone consultation with our doctor. The numbers are 1800 266 3001 if you're calling from India. And if you're calling from any global countries, you can call us on 1800 2800 906. We are available on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp us on 7777001561, or you can email us at info@ayushakti.com. Our Ayushakti doctors are available on phone as well. You can call on the below number and take appointment. हमारे यहाँ पे सारे डॉक्टर फोन कंसल्टेशन के लिए तैयार है। आप आपके नंबर से कॉल कीजिए हमें और हम हमारे डॉक्टर से आपको कनेक्ट करवा देंगे। नमस्कार।